Fired up. I can't see a goddamn thing. Yeah, yeah.
I love the way that smells. Is that ignite in there?
No, it's Sunoco E85R.
God, that smells good. All right, so here we go. Just walk around. Have George tell us a little bit about this car. I've seen it at the shop every time I come up here, so he finally pulled it out for me. Look at that thing, y'all. If y'all thought my 240 was clean, this is a whole different ball game right here. And for my guys that's new to the channel, yes, I do own a S13 coupe. But hold on, wait, is that a coupe, George? Yeah, that's a coupe. No, that's a hatch.
It's actually called a Sill 80 because it's a real 180 with the silver front. So the correct term is Sill 80.
Sill 80?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's honestly quite an interesting car. Like when you break down everything that's done to the car, this is what I consider the ultimate S13 drift car. I don't care what anybody says. The angle kit, the suspension, the motor setup, just everything about the car is top notch. This isn't a budget car. It's far from it. I mean, this car is well over $100,000 to build as is. You know, so it's cool. You know, I'm just excited to be part of the Monster program and help them run their demos and do the maintenance on the cars. It's just, you know, such a good feeling to come from this tiny little shop that you've been to at my house a long time ago to where we are now. And, you know, I deal with, you know, executives from Monster with the program. That's pretty exciting, you know. So
and like y'all heard, like he said, started out at the house. Like I tell everybody, there's no excuses. And there's no excuses to why you can't get up and grind like this man did every day. Every day, man. But yeah, good. Go ahead and pop the hood for us. Show us a little bit about the car.
So basically, you're looking at an LS3. It's pretty built. You know, it's got a Harrop blower. It's a European-based company. As far as I know, I don't know a lot about them. And when I originally met him, the car was having cooling issues, so we had to go and revamp the cooling system. I met him at Grid Life Atlanta this year, and the car was there running Grid Life. Ended up, you know, kind of working with him and keeping the car here, and then we went to Delaware, we went to Vegas together for Monster Cup. So we redid the coil setup. We did a coil, the inflow dual path setup on it, and then we redid a lot of the radiator hoses and the lines and whatnot. Redid the shroud. I built him a custom expansion tank for it because the expansion tank was actually obsolete, and that's very important for the LS setups. Having the expansion tank for the steam port. The steam port obviously is very important. We did. He's sponsored by Sicky, so Sicky gave us a new set of headers. We threw those on when we were at Sicky coming back from Delaware. It's got KW V3s on it. I mean...
And that's for y'all who don't know, that's the coilover setup. That's the suspension.
Yeah, so this is the external reservoir, so you can do high-speed, low-speed dampening on it. It's got a wise fab angle kit on it. It's got, I would say, 75 to 80 degrees of lock on it. So that's what I'm saying, like, coilover setup is the best. I mean, the only thing I consider above KW is Olin's, and you know, you're talking about $5,000, $6,000, $10,000 for a set of coilovers. But it's just it's on. I don't know. It's just a simple setup. You know, the car is you ride it between 7 and 800 horsepower.
Yeah, it's a healthy setup too.
Yeah, it runs fantastic. It has very little issues now that we've redone the cooling system on it. Another big sponsor of his is Accelera. They actually, I wasn't familiar with the tire brand. I've used them a couple of times, but the tire has been fantastic. It's got a 100 treadwear drift tire that he uses in Europe. Another sponsor here is Quaife right here. Quaife makes differentials and transmissions.
Okay.
They actually supplied the 6-speed sequential that's in it right now. So if you want a transmission that is built to hold 1,500 to 2,000 horsepower, that's the one you want.
Yeah.
You know, they're big in rally. That's why they're so big in Europe. You know, it has a winner's quick change rear end in it, which is like the norm for most four-wheel drift cars.
Yeah.
You know, drive shaft shop axles. It's got, I mean, just factory 300ZX brakes. The front, I don't remember the brand in the front.
The brake setup?
Torx, I think. I don't know, but it's basically got a similar GTR setup.
Okay.
As the R35 GTR. You know, Sparko sponsors him. He's an ambassador for them. You know, Sticky, obviously, you get the e-brake. It's got the gear counter in it. It's got a great, nice, beautiful setup cage in it. It's got,
yeah.
you know, it's got the floor pan. Nobody ever builds floor pans like that, you know.
I did not even see that.
Yeah, it's got a nice pedal box in it. It's got the AEM digital dash. Very, very, very simple, clean setup.
Got the big sparkles. Yeah.
And the rear is nothing crazy. It's just, you know, basically just fuel cell and
Yeah.
pump stuff like that. So
That's what's
I'll
up.
start up from here.
I've been waiting all my life for someone like you. I would watch the days go by, wasted in blue. I was out of use. Now every day, every night, every moment with you, I'm walking on air. And every day, every way, I feel I can't lose. I wanna shout it out, ain't no limit.
Alright, y'all, so we're gonna let it warm up right now. I know y'all can't really hear me over this car, so I'm kind of trying to talk loud. Let them hear it. Oh, yeah. Big boy toys. So we're gonna go ahead and let it warm up. You gonna let it warm up? Let it warm up? And next time y'all see me, we'll be in the car. Alright.
The coolest good enough to drive right now.
Yeah.
We just gotta drive it to get the gearbox and differential warmed up.
So y'all heard what he just said? I feel like this car would give a Lamborghini the business.
Absolutely.
It would give a McLaren the business.
2,800 pounds, 900 horsepower.
Oh God, bro.
You're talking about like a 17 or 1800 horsepower GTR.
Jesus.
Power weight on that one.
Bro. Thank you. I needed that. It's been a while.
It hooked. Once I got a little hot, it definitely hooked. It won't hook first or second, but it'll hook third all day long.
I mean, that throttle response is ridiculous, bro.
Yeah. And that's with a blower.
That's what I'm saying. Yeah, like there's no lag at all. What size blower is it?
2.6, I think.
2.6.
2.6 or 2.7. I'll have to look it up. I can't remember.
Hey, so I need something like that on the Charger, y'all. I thought the Charger was fast. Bro, let me tell y'all. Let me get out of here, Lama. I don't want y'all to see me get out of this. Here, George, hold this right quick.
Okay.
Show y'all how BrownBear get up out of here.
Let's see.
It's been a while. I still got it.
You got it. You're good.
Oh, man. Hey, that's how big boys get out of drift cars.
That's it,
You know what I'm saying? Got to swing. God, I'll put your iPhone right here, George.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. That's the man right there at the shop, GMG Automotive. GMG Automotive.
Yeah, I wish I could build 3 or 4 of these a year. I'd be really happy with that.
Shit, bro.
The hell of a car, like I said.
Hey, whose 240 is you're about to get this weekend? Who's 240?
Yours. That's right.
Yeah, y'all heard it. So
You got all these patches in here. We gotta get some coupe love in here.
there was a coupe in here.
Patch.
Didn't you have a coupe?
No, mine, and it's not here.
All right, y'all. So we back at the shop from that crazy ride in that car. Like George just said to me, "Is it really a drift car?" I don't believe so. That car feels like nothing I've ever been in, honestly. George, what you got, man? Come on.
I feel like it's one of these cars that one of these nights you're going to be out running down south, and it's going to show up with a tire on the back, and then we're going to see how much money y'all got. You know?
Oh, okay.
That's it.
I like how that sounds.
Yeah.
I like it.
That's it. You know.
Hey, man, I got to close this video out. Good hanging with my boy, GMG Automotive, George. My car will be up here, so y'all will be seeing more of the 240. I know y'all only seen like glimpses of it, but I still have the Accord too. But I think I'm gonna work on the 240 first. It's time to get that car back out. I did all that body work on it and whatnot. It's time for this guy to go ahead and make it fast. All right, so make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment, share. And if y'all in the surrounding area of Georgia, Gwinnett, Loganville, what else around here?
You got Gainesville, you got Cumming, all that stuff.
Yeah. Check out my boy's shop, GMG Automotive. He's also on Instagram. Shout out your Instagram out.
GMG Automotive.
All right. You got your merch on? It's got the merch on right here.
It's old. It was black at
Got
one
a phone
time.
number on the back?
No, not anymore.
No. He got to get some more merch because that ain't gonna cut it.
Shirts are coming soon, springtime.
All right, cool. Y'all heard it, man.
Yeah.
All right, y'all. We out.
See ya.